What is CleanMyMac MyClutter? MyClutter is one of CleanMyMac's 5 main sidebar categories, alongside cleanup, protection, performance, and applications. The icons aren't labeled, but tooltips appear when you hover your mouse over each one. MyClutter is designed to help you find duplicates, large forgotten files, and redundant local copies cluttering your Mac, essentially curbing file chaos so you always have enough space for what matters. What MyClutter does. MyClutter covers 3 main areas. 1. Large and old files. The large and old files category contains files that are large and may be unnecessary because you haven't accessed them in a while. You can view all files at once, only selected ones, or grouped by kind, size, or access date. 2. Duplicates. MyClutter finds duplicate files and redundant local copies that are taking up space without serving a purpose. 3. Similar photos. It also helps you find and remove similar images, blurry shots, near identical photos to free up valuable disk space. How to use MyClutter, step by step. In CleanMyMac, click MyClutter in the sidebar. From the drop-down list, select the location to scan. Click Scan to begin and wait for the results. Click Review All Files, then select the Large and Old Files category. Review the files and select the ones you want to remove. To preview a file or reveal it in Finder, right-click and choose Reveal in Finder or Quick Look. Once you've made your selections, click Remove. Files are deleted permanently, bypassing the trash. Also, CleanMyMac only removes items in the currently viewed category. For example, if you select items in the Duplicates category, then switch to Large and Old Files and click Remove, only the Large and Old File selections will be deleted. Does MyClutter auto-select files for deletion? No, CleanMyMac does not automatically select files for removal in MyClutter, since these files might contain useful data. You must manually choose what to delete. This makes it beginner safe. Availability across editions. The MyClutter module is available with the same scope of features in all editions of CleanMyMac, whether you get it from the Mac Paw Store, Setup, or the App Store. This is unlike some other modules, like Deep System Cleanup, that are restricted in the App Store version. Pro tips for MyClutter: rescan anytime, ** to rescan, click Start Over on the upper left, confirm, and click Scan again. Pair with Space Lens, *, use Space Lens first to get a big picture view of storage hogs, then dive into MyClutter to surgically remove duplicates and old files. Don't skip Review *, since deletions are permanent. Always use Quick Look before removing anything you're unsure about. Bottom line, MyClutter is one of CleanMyMac's most practical and safe features for everyday users. It's especially useful if your Mac is filling up with forgotten downloads, duplicate photos, or files you haven't touched in years, and it puts you in control every step of the way.